The EZZI Sonic Toothbrush E100 is designed with ultra-soft tapered bristles that effectively reach below the gum line and between teeth, addressing gum disease and cavities. With an impressive 42,000 vibrations per minute, this toothbrush efficiently removes stains, offering a superior clean compared to many other brands. Despite the powerful cleaning action, the charcoal-infused bamboo bristles are remarkably gentle, making it ideal for those with sensitive teeth and gum recession. The toothbrush's flexible bristles are specifically designed to clean thoroughly around braces, ensuring comprehensive oral care for those with orthodontic needs. A standout feature for travelers is its long-lasting battery, capable of lasting up to 60 days on a single charge, perfect for extended trips. Manufactured by Dongguan Shenglong Electronic Technology Co. Ltd., the EZZI Sonic Toothbrush E100 combines innovative technology with user-friendly design for optimal oral health.